video, students. Today's agenda is to check homework. We'll be learning about place value, and you will be able to do pages 2, 3, and 4 from Module A. Today, students will be able to identify the place value of a selected digit. And here, we have a number, and when it says 4, it refers to 4 ones, meaning 4 units. Now in here, this is the number 5. But that doesn't mean that you have 5 of this. What it means is that you have 5 groups of 10. That's why they're in the 5 tens, in the tens value. So 5 tens. And 2 in this place value doesn't mean 2. It doesn't mean 20. What it means is that you have 200. So, and I don't have the thousands, but you get the idea. And so in here, the importance is to understand that knowing the place value gives different value to each one of those numbers. You can have a 2 in here, and it means completely different to 2 in here, a 2 in here, and a 2 in here. Okay? Depending on its place value, that's what the value is. And so I created this chart where you have a number, and we'll learn in the next lesson how to read this. But right now it's just identify the place value. If it's at the right, that's the ones place value. If it's on the second one, that's the tens. The third is hundredths. In here is the thousands. In the next one is 10,000s. The next one is 100,000s. And here is millions and 10 millions. I recommend that you write this in a flashcard so that you can have it available and do the activity as we go. Also, we'll be placing those numbers in the next lesson in our place value house so that we can learn how to read and how to write numbers that are big. In here it says, write the place name for each underlined digit, and it just refers to the place value. Okay, so in here we know that this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So that will be the word. So at first you might want to use the chart and count, and then just write the name of the place value. As we go and practice, that's going to get easier, and you will remember most of them, if not all. Okay, so in here we count 1, 2, 3, 4. We go here to our chart and say 1, 2, 3, 4, and we see that is thousands. Ones, tens, but again, if you don't remember, just count 1, 2, and you can see that it's tens. So the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try this first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, and 10 millions. So that's when this counts handy, because you can just say, oh, ones, tens, hundreds. And if you see, this repeats. Ones, thousands, but we don't say 1,000, we just say thousands when it's a 1. 10,000s, 100,000s. Look at that. 10,000s, 100,000s. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1, tens, hundreds, 1, 10, hundreds. And notice only for the ones, we don't put it when we have the thousands and the millions. Okay? So maybe this will be useful if you start using it with this heading. Okay, again, 1, 10, hundreds, 1, 10, hundreds, 1, 10, and it's on the, not the one without name, not in the thousands, but in the millions. So 10 millions. That's one way to do it. The other way is to just count as we did the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 millions. For this one, it's just on the right, so it's ones, And for the next one, again, is ones, tens, hundreds. One, tens, hundreds, one, ten, hundreds, one, ten, hundreds. So let's say in here, what would it be? One, ten, hundreds, one, ten, hundreds, one. So it's just millions because it's nothing afterwards, thousands, millions. Just 1 millions, millions. If that one was underlined, okay? It's not. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, one, tens, hundreds. Okay, for the next section, it says underline the digit of the place value given. So 100,000, we go to our chart, or we can just say, oh, thousands is the second, not the one on the right, but the second one. See, nothing, thousands, millions. So it's thousands, and in 100, 1, 10, 100 will be this one. Again, but if that's not easy, you can just say 100,000. 100,000 is this one right here. How many do I have to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and underline the sixth one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's number 9. 9 is in the 100,000 place value. For the next one, it says tens. Tens, it's ones. Tens, it's number 3. So you go ahead and underline the 3 because it's in the tens value place. Millions. Again, you go to the chart. Millions is right there. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces to the left. 7 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's this one right here. With this, we end our lesson. If you can please give us a thumbs up, subscribe around here. This is the link for the entire unit in English only. Here is the next video, and here you will find it in Spanglish, mostly Spanish. Okay, now you're able to do up to page 4 from Module A, and have fun.